How you doing, guys, and welcome to this extremely short video. And I'm just going to be having an overview of this Helios 44-2 3D printed case, and just want to tell you a bit about it, where you can get it from, and roughly what it's like and to use it. So this is a case which was designed by a guy called Mountain Breeze. He's on YouTube. I'll put his link in the description. And he designs and prints all sorts of crazy, mods for your cameras. It could be a handle, it could be a follow focus, it could be a case, as you can see here, for vintage lenses. Absolutely amazing. And now the good thing of what I like about his mods, and especially for his vintage lenses, is that they're non-destructive. So inside here is a full Helios 44-2. I didn't have to take out the case or destroy it in any single way. The whole 3D print fits over the lens, which is absolutely amazing, because if you want to sell it, or you don't want this case anymore, or it breaks or whatever, you can easily just take it off, print yourself another one and put it on. Absolutely stunning. All of his designs are available for free online. He just asks that you would leave him a little donation. I did leave him a donation because I think his work is absolutely amazing. Must have took him time to do this, and we need to support creators like that. And also, I'm not going to go into a full rebuild of this and too much detail, because I'm going to link his channel down below. And I just believe in paying dues where it's needed. And he's put in all of this hard work to design it, create it, and put the files up. I don't think it's right that I have all the views or all the likes or whatever. So after you've liked this video, please like it. Go over to his channel, drop him a like and a comment, and tell him you appreciate all his work. And if you do print any of this, then just go for just pay him a little donation, because he's a really good guy. So basically, let's just jump into this. As I said, it's a 3D printed case in PTEG, I believe it is. So it's quite hard plastic. It just slots over your Helios. You do it piece by piece, the bottom piece first, then the focus ring, then your aperture ring, and then you've just got this top case here, which is like a, I don't know, sort of like a protector, beefs it up a bit and allows you to, it just looks really good, man. The only things you're going to need to buy extra is a few grub screws here. He tells you exactly which ones you need to buy on his website, and a few screws here to lock the whole thing in place. Absolutely amazing. Also inside here, I've got step-up rings. So he tells you which step-up rings you need to buy, but I think you need, for Helios 44-2, you need 52 anywhere up to 88. I just bought the whole set, so it comes right out the front, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. How does it work on the camera? So here you can see it on my 6K Pro, and it's absolutely flawless. The turning, the dials, everything just moves flawless, nice and smooth. I must admit, when I first put it together, it felt a bit rough, but I think there might have just been some excess plastic here. But once I put it in and then just started to turn it a little bit and move it around the focus, it kind of just went nice and smooth. So listen to this now and see if you can hear any noise. Listen. Absolutely amazing. It is so smooth, man, and it works amazing on the camera. Very strong. I mean, I had it, like I said, I printed out a PTG. Very strong. It's just an absolutely fantastic mod. Yes, you can get things like the iron glass, VLEF as well, stuff like that. Those are going to cost you £1,000, but there's a lot more that goes into those mods than something like this. They do an absolutely amazing job, but anyone that's just on a budget and just wants to get a Cine lens, or Cine rehousing, this is going to be the cheapest way to go. So the next thing I want to talk about is these caps, which you can see on the back, and these come from 3D Focus. A guy called Tom, who runs 3D Focus in the Czech Republic, he printed these for me, and I just received these today. Took about 6 or 7 days to come through, and they're absolutely amazing. Now, I normally go for Canon branded caps because I want a good fit. But what I noticed is, even on my vintage lenses, they don't always fit all the time. Sometimes they come loose and they don't fit, so you have to keep swapping them around to find one that's tight. Whereas with these ones, they fit absolutely amazing. One quick twist and they lock on, and they're tight as well. And I've tried it on my Sigma, on the Helios, on the 10-18. This is my Sigma one here. All of them fit extremely well. There's no play in them. They all just fit amazing. You need to speak to Tom over at 3D Focus. Shoot him a message. Order which ones you want. You can get them customized with the color, the lens size, the f-stop, everything else like that. And you can see inside they've got these nice little logo inside as well. Yeah. So these will just complete the look of any pro lens that you've got. Whether you've got like a 3D printed housing or you've just got your normal bog standard casing on there, you can see that they're very handy to have. Sometimes when you've got like an assistant with you or someone and you say, pass me that, the 10-18, and they say, oh, which one is that? And they're looking around at it and all that kind of stuff. Now they can just grab the lens, look at the back, and you can see exactly what it is that the lens that they need. I mean, I was getting by on with sticking these little stickers on the front before, but you know, when you've got something more pro like this, you know, all written out nicely, even with the f-stop, it's absolutely amazing. So yeah, Tom at 3D Focus, I'll link his website down below. 10% off if you use the code IMCE, and just let him know that you came from me. I'm not actually receiving any money from these, but Tom, thank you so much for giving me these lens caps. They're absolutely amazing, and I love them. I love them. I love them. I hope I never lose them like I keep losing all my others. But yeah, guys, IMCE is the code. You'll get 10% off. He's got so much stuff on his website, so go and check that out. So guys, that was a quick overview. Please go and check out Mountain Breeze's video on this. I'm not going to, like I said, I'm not going to take too much thunder away from him. Go and watch his whole video because he goes through the whole process, how he designed it, how he printed it, and he shows you how himself putting it together. And we've got to pay our respects for, you know, guys that are putting in all this hard work on YouTube. Thanks guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow with my DIY Pocket 6K Pro rig build. Later.